If you're looking to learn how to code, or if you want to get into tech, or if you want to jump into this vibe coding where you get to build stuff with AI, do not be scared of the terminal. You will see everybody using the terminal or the command line, and a lot of people look at that and they get really scared of it. It's like as if that's something fancy. It really is not. In this video, I just want to show you how simple it is, like the actual concept of it. So you already use a computer, right? Most likely you use your phone, you use a computer. In the computer, what do? You have the keyboard and you have the mouse, and you use the mouse to tell the computer what to do, right? You click on something to open it. You double click it to open it. You right click, delete. You right click, open. So you basically are commanding the computer using the mouse. And with the terminal, you're doing the same thing. You're commanding the computer, but instead of the mouse, you're using your words. You're commanding it, right? It's a command line. You're commanding it to do what you need it to do. You want to open something. You want to delete something. You want to run something, things like that. So I'll just give you a quick example. For example, using my mouse, right? I go to this folder. I'm going to go to demos, and I'm going to create a new folder that's called example1. Example1. Right? Then I can click it to look at what's inside of it, right? I can go inside. Now, on the other hand, in the terminal, instead of with my own eyes and my hand with the mouse going to this folder and creating a folder called example2, I'm going to run a command. I'm going to run a command. The first command you're going to learn is cd, which is change directory. And you got to know where to go. So it's going to be demos, right? I went to the demos. And let's say I want to create a folder. I'm going to say make dir. This is on a Mac. On Windows, you have different commands. That's the thing. Every terminal is not the same. It's actually an application that's running. So the commands are different, similar, but different. But if you're on a Mac or Linux, they're the same. Even on Windows, if you are like command prompt versus if you have like other terminals like PowerShell, they are different. So keep that in mind. But the point is we're just commanding it. Right now, I'm going to create a directory. So there's a command called make dir. I'm going to say example2. Right now I created that directory. If I want to see what's in here, I can do ls for list. This will give me all the folders that are in the current directory in the demo. When I go here to the UI, the graphical user interface, this is the UI or GUI or graphical user interface, I can see the folder that I just created. So it's all about commanding the computer with the command line as opposed to with the mouse. And those commands, you're going to remember them. They're just a small set that you're going to use all the time, so you remember it. But the number of commands available is really limitless, right? Anybody can create commands because each command can be running an application. There's millions of commands, possibly millions. But the ones you have to know, the ones you have to remember are really basic ones that you need to interact with the system. And trust me, I have a terrible memory, and if I can remember those, you can too. So don't be scared of the terminal. Just go dive and start doing it. When you see somebody doing it, running commands on in videos, go ahead and try them out. All right. So I just want to give you a little encouragement. Don't be scared of the terminal.